gun. You can't do a gun.
You can't do a gun.
No, let's do rock, paper, scissors. Ah! Ready? Yeah. No, Oh, I thought you had scissors. Let's do rock, paper. Shoot. This is shoe. Boom.
There's no shoe. You have it's rock, paper, scissors. Go.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, let me think.
Okay, go.
Pile. That's a pile. No, why do you do this? I think it's scissors. Yeah. Wait, let me... This is the wrong way. Okay, ready? Yeah? Let me think. Okay, ready? Oh, okay, let me think. Oh, let me think. Boom! You did scissors. How about we play Go Fish but with invisible cards? Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now spread them all out. So, Go Fish. Oh yeah, I get to go again. Have any 8s? No, well, you can't do that. Can't have any 9s? No. Have any 7s? No. When I say no, it's my turn. It keeps going. I keep getting the card that I got. No, you can't do that. Okay. Just okay. Show them. Whoop, boom. Have any 3? You have to give 1 card to me. On snap, I got a 3. 7? Yes. And that's a book.
I hear the bus.
No.
We'll finish this game after school.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100.
Put your cards in your pocket.
I'm running from my pocket. Here, watch this. Look over here.
No, your bus is here.
Hey, watch.